Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you a cinnamon walnut gluten-free cornbread. I love this cornbread. My kids love this cornbread. It's super yummy. I also like to reimagine this into different things. Like sometimes I make Thanksgiving stuffing with the same cornbread, and I just add some sausage and some beautiful veggies and onions and stuff. But this is a really nice kind of twist, I think, on just your basic cornbread. First, we are going to prep our pan. So in this pan, I took a little bit of unsalted butter and just worked it all the way around. You can also sprinkle it with a little bit of flour. Why don't we do that? This is a little bit of oat flour that's going to go into our bread. Great. Ready to go. So the way that I actually get this unsalted butter is, as part of the recipe, we have half a stick of melted unsalted butter. So what I'll do is I'll melt it, and then what's left in the pan, I just stick my fingers there and wipe it into the pan, and now it's ready to go. Okay, cool. First things first, let's get our dry ingredients mixed and then our wet ingredients mixed, and then we will incorporate it together. So in this bowl, I have 1.5 cups of cornmeal. Medium grind is what I like. This is a cup of oat flour. So this is my baking soda, my baking powder, cinnamon, and some salt, and I'll give you guys the list of ingredients and how much is in there. We're gonna add that in. And then we're gonna whisk it up. And then after this, we're gonna do our wet ingredients. All right, it's looking pretty good. I love cornbread. I also love recipes that are versatile, that you can reimagine into things later. Trust, my kids are gonna love to eat this when they wake up from their nap. They're gonna be very happy. Okay, let's do the wet ingredients. Wet ingredients. We have 2 eggs, 1 cup of low-fat buttermilk, which it's worth doing the buttermilk versus regular milk. It does add an extra depth, like pancakes. It is worth it putting the buttermilk in. Just adds a different flavor, which is nice. 1/3 cup of sugar. So the reason I like putting the sugar into the wet ingredients is so it can start to dissolve before mixing it in with my dry ingredients. Now we're gonna add in a tablespoon of honey. I love honey. It's such a beautiful, subtle sweetness. There's a lot of recipes that I'll actually do less sugar and then just do the rest in honey. And it's really beautiful. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna make a little well in the dry ingredients. And then let's just dump in the wet. And then I'm gonna get a little rubber spatula and mix it up because you don't wanna overmix. So we're just gonna fold these together gently, and then we are going to add in 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter and 1 cup of our toasted walnuts. Yum. You can also add like dried cranberries in here. Oh my gosh, that would be so good. So that's something I would do, like when I make my cornbread stuffing, I'll add in cranberries to that and some other things like that. Okay, you wanna like do this quickly, but not overdo it. Okay, cool. You could chop your walnuts with a knife, or you can put them in a little bag. This is sometimes something I give my kids to do. Get a little mallet, and you could chop them this way. They're like the perfect chopped size. Let's mix in our butter and our walnuts and then put this into our pan. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Anytime you can get bread that's gluten-free, it's like very, very special. So being able to have gluten-free cornbread for someone who's gluten-free is a treat. And it's so easy to just swap out the flour, and cornmeal's already gluten-free, which is great. Okay, guys, this is ready to go in our pan. I wish you could smell this because it smells incredible. The toasted walnuts, oh my gosh, you can smell the nuttiness. All right, pan. Preheating the oven, 400 degrees. My kids are gonna freak out when they wake up, oh my gosh. Okay, this is ready to go into the oven. I'm gonna check it in 25 minutes. Oh my gosh, you guys, whoa. So I already checked it, but what you wanna do is have it come out clean. Okay, so bread just came out of the oven. Oh my gosh. You wanna let it kind of settle for a few minutes, let it cool slightly. The grand reveal. Whoa. Look at that gorgeous golden brown. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that stunning cornbread. My kids just woke up. They are gonna be so happy. I'm also making them some chocolate milk right now, a little hot cocoa. I'm gonna heat it up, put little marshmallows and give them this for a little snack. Oh my gosh. I wish you could smell this, the nuttiness, the toasted walnuts in there. Okay, let me just have a little bite before they come down. I'm gonna have a bigger piece later. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Put a little bit of honey butter on there. Oh. Oh my gosh. I think that's some of the best cornbread I've ever had. Oh, that's so beautiful. The walnuts mixed in there, the cinnamon added to it. That is so beautiful and harvesty. It has such a beautiful, rich, nutty flavor. Wow, you guys, this is beautiful. Honey, cinnamon, yumminess. Yay. Happy holidays to me and you.